Good morning, Texans. It's time for our morning announcements for our continuing remote learners. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe a moment of silent reflection. Quick reminders for our remote learners, we are back to the 8-period bell schedule. So we're no longer on the block. We're no longer on the A days, B days. It's 8 periods, all classes every day. So make sure you remember that. Check each of your teacher's Moodle pages for your remote learning icon. The remote learning icon looks like this. And that is where you'll find the information to continue your remote learning classes there. So if you're using this method for your announcements every day, I hope you have a great day and you enjoy as long as you feel the need to continue as a remote learner. I hope that you enjoy that experience. I'll not be creating new announcements every day. We'll use this one for you to refer back to because now that we have students in person, I've got a lot of duties first thing in the morning that will keep me from being able to create these each day. But I hope you make it a great day. And Texans, I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again soon.